Good afternoon, doctor. I hope you can help me.
Of course. Please tell me what's troubling you.
I've been feeling very tired lately, and I have headaches almost every day. Sometimes I feel dizzy too.
I see. How long has this been going on?
About 2 weeks now.
Have you noticed any other symptoms, like nausea, blurred vision, or trouble sleeping?
Yes, I get mild nausea sometimes, and my sleep has been poor.
Are you under a lot of stress at work or home?
Yes, I've had a lot of work deadlines, and I can't seem to relax.
That could definitely be contributing. Let's check your vital signs first.
Sure.
Your blood pressure is slightly high at 142/90, and your heart rate is 88 beats per minute. Your temperature is normal.
Is that dangerous?
Not immediately, but it's higher than normal. Stress, lack of sleep, and dehydration can cause this. We should monitor it closely.
What should I do to lower it?
Try to rest more, reduce caffeine and salty foods, drink plenty of water, and take short breaks during work. Relaxation exercises or light walks can help.
What about my headaches?
For now, you can take acetaminophen or ibuprofen as needed. Make sure not to exceed the recommended dose.
How often can I take them?
Every 6 to 8 hours and only for a few days unless your symptoms persist.
Should I get any tests done?
Yes, I recommend a blood test to check for anemia, vitamin deficiencies, or thyroid issues. If your headaches continue, we may need a CT scan or MRI to rule out other causes.
Okay, what about the dizziness?
It may be caused by dehydration, stress, or low blood pressure at times. Make sure to eat balanced meals and stay hydrated. If it worsens, come back immediately.
Can my sleep problems make this worse?
Absolutely. Poor sleep increases stress, headaches, and blood pressure. Try to establish a regular sleep routine. Avoid screens an hour before bed, and keep your bedroom dark and quiet.
Should I avoid work for a few days?
You don't have to stop completely, but pace yourself. Take short breaks, avoid overworking, and focus on rest when you're off duty.
Can stress cause all these symptoms together?
Yes, prolonged stress can cause fatigue, headaches, dizziness, high blood pressure, and sleep problems. That's why managing stress is important.
Can you give me something to help me sleep?
I can prescribe a mild sleep aid for a short period, but I also want you to try non-medical methods first, like warm baths, reading, or relaxation exercises.
All right, and the blood test, what exactly should I check?
A complete blood count, thyroid function, vitamin B12, and iron levels. These can rule out deficiencies or anemia causing fatigue.
How soon should I do the tests?
As soon as possible. Once we have the results, we can adjust treatment if necessary.
Should I take any vitamins now?
You can start a general multivitamin. It may help with energy, but don't rely solely on it. Balanced meals are essential.
What if my headaches don't improve in a week?
Come back immediately. We may need to do imaging tests or refer you to a specialist.
Can these symptoms be serious?
Usually, in someone your age and health, it's not serious, most likely stress-related or minor deficiency, but it's good to be cautious and follow up.
All right, can you write the prescriptions for pain relief and the sleep aid?
Yes, I'll also give you a note for a multivitamin and a blood test referral.
Thank you, doctor. I really appreciate your time.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, follow the advice, and come back if anything worsens or doesn't improve.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and feel better soon.